Y'all, we have a makeup set. I will be putting the name here. Off Amazon. Hello, Amazon storefront. Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. If you didn't subscribe, please subscribe. Please subscribe. That's all I gotta say. I got some giveaways that I'm gonna be giving away. Got money I'll be giving away. Stuff I'm gonna be giving away. We're gonna start off with this. It's a travel makeup brush set with LED light mirror. All right, y'all. This makeup mirror is actually really nice. It's really, really nice. Y'all look. So you open it up like this. And you can see that. But look, it's a touch screen. It's touch screen. You have all your makeup brushes here. We have a card or a little paper with the business on there. It says BS Smalls on Instagram, bsmallbeauty.com. So y'all go hit up bsmallbeauty.com to get these makeup brushes. I will be leaving the Amazon link below. And welcome, Amazon. Welcome. Because I will be posting this on my Amazon storefront as well. Yeah, I love it. And not only does it turn on and off, it like turns. Like it turns around. Girl, I like this. I really do. I did say I was gonna tell you guys the brushes that come with it. See if we can run through them all real quick. So it says a powder brush, an angled brush, a flat brush. Sorry. Face flat brush, ankle detail brush, eyebrow combination brush, flame brush, precision crease blush, precision crease blush. What the fuck am I saying blush? Precision crease brush, classic eyebrow brush, concealer brush, eyebrow brush, angled eyebrow brush, detail brush, lip brush, eyelash brush. Okay, eyelash brush. And click that link below. Go buy this. Go pick it up. And it's on Amazon. Like I said, go pick it up on Amazon.